What is up guys, TechRex here. So last time we had 10 chargers go inside an iPhone. This time we're gonna step it up a notch and have 100. That's right guys, check this out. We have 100 cubes, 100 chargers all lined up here, really beautiful, all going up, and we're gonna plug it into a single iPhone. So this is a massive upgrade right here. We're taking each charger by hand and just creating this monstrosity right here. Look at all these cables, all these chargers, guys. This is what we have done so far. We're gonna solder them all together. So this is a work in progress, guys. There's a lot of things that go into it, but let's continue to see how it unfolds. We're slowly soldering some of these cables together, guys, trying to make this into one big piece. So process has been initiated. A quick comparison as I'm holding this mega charger, guys, 100 cables, and look at just what's going on here. We got black, red, I mean all coming in together in this beautiful work of art. Final product right here, guys. It's beautiful, easy to grab right here, easy to just plug in. Check it out. I mean, all of it just wrapped around, and we got the 4 switches to power all of them on. So they're all hooked up to different outlets. I've got 2 iPhone 6S's, and we're going to be testing them. So last time I used a newer iPhone XRs. This time we're going to be using 2 older iPhone 6S's. And just to give you guys a little perspective here, I'm going to show you for battery health. This one has 84%. And I'm going to actually turn off the optimized battery charging. And this iPhone 6S, which will have 1 charger, battery health at 85%. So it should have maybe a little bit more of an advantage, but basically identical. Also, we're going to turn that off as well. And now guys, we're going to wait until both of these phones drop down to 0 and completely die. Once that happens, I'm going to plug 100 chargers into this 6S and then 1 single brick into this 6S on the right. Both 6S's are fully dead, so let's go ahead and begin charging. So first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put on all these switches on. This is for all the 100 chargers. 4 switches are on. And we got 1 cube right here. This is going to go for the iPhone 6S right to the right of me. So I'm going to plug this one in. And now right away I'm going to plug in this bad boy. So this is the big one. Let's go ahead and do it. Boom. It is in. And we got the Apple logo already. I'm going to set this one in view as well. Looks like that one is still charging. No Apple logo. Apple logo on this one. And this is the moment of truth, guys. So let's go ahead and just see what starts happening here. As we examine, phone is on already, 3%. And again, this is that first iPhone 6S. I'm going to go straight into airplane mode and full brightness. I'll leave Bluetooth on. We have 5%. Really interesting. First iPhone right from the get-go, guys, boots up almost instantly. But the second iPhone 6S, okay, there we go. Now we got the Apple logo. It took its sweet time, maybe 2 minutes, but we finally got it on. But let's see what percentage it's going to be showing. 2%. Okay, 7% with that one already. 2% here. So this one is definitely going a lot slower. And we're going to also put this one into airplane mode, full brightness. And the race has officially begun, guys. So now we're going to just see which one goes up to 100% first. Update, guys, we got 14% and 7%. So about basically twice as fast at the moment. As we close down, guys, to 100%, you could tell that the difference of this experiment is very, very minimal. We have 97% with 100 chargers, 93% with one charger, and honestly, guys, I did not know what to expect. It maintained a 10% difference most of the time, as we hit 98% here with 100 chargers, but that wraps it up. So we're going to go ahead and shut all these off. There we go. Unplug that. Definitely not worth it, guys. Don't go ahead and try making 100 homemade chargers. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.